I want you to make some noise for the Freedom Sound System.
Been talking to you for a while to get Zion Train up on our system next time we come. I'm glad we're getting involved this time. It's nice getting big names and big, long, well-established acts like Zion Train.
We've sound checked. It sounds wonderful. That's very exciting for the night ahead. Just hope your countrymen won't be drinking too much before the party.
Hendre Hall, mae Hendre Hall yn fenyw alternatif am y capacity bob dim sydd yn sydd allan i prif ffrwd yma yn Gogledd Cymru a mae'n un o'r venues mwyaf adnabyddus dwi'n meddwl yn Gogledd Cymru a mae'n renowned am y partia danfiarol, yr cerddoriaeth danfiarol. Yndi, mae'n neis i gweld ti'n lleol yn gallu perfformio efo bandiau mawr yma. Efo acts mawr yma ac fel Freedom Soundsystem maen nhw'n just system sain o Bangor ydyn nhw, ond oherwydd yr acts mawr sy'n dwed i Hendre Hall maen nhw wedi gallu cael y siawns i chwarae efo real big names and really good.
Mae'r Reggae mae'n briliant. Mae'n Gogledd Cymru, mae'n rili gryf. Mae Graen blynedd, mae'n Graen pista. Mae'r rhan, mae'n Graen di fewn nhw mewn ffordd. A mae'n beth da fyd, gweld hogia lleol. Freedom Soundsystem yn bwysyn power o Zion Train. Mae'n beth da. A bod nhw yn hybu Reggae yn lleol rhwng Cymru.
It's always really good vibes here, every time we come back, because the people come from miles around and they come out to have a good night, so let's start.
Expect tonight to be rubbish, to be honest with you, terrible, awful. No, in all honesty, really, one thing about coming to Wales, and I'd have to say not just North Wales, coming and playing in Wales in general, for us as English people, the vibes are always good because people are a bit freer than in a lot of other places. They like to have a good time, and I expect here with the North Walians pretty full and nice sound system and stuff to be good, a bit mad, but they're a bit mad already. So. With Freedom Sound, we're providing the PA, the sound system tonight. It's nice to have a local sound system supporting a local event, and yeah, they're good lads, the sound system's well set up, and they play nice music.
We're ready to go now! Into the sound system,